Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today I am making korma. Now let's start. In a pot add half cup oil, 2 बड़ी इलायची, 8 सब्ज़ इलायची, 2 pieces of cinnamon, 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, 2 bay leaves. 1 मिनट के लिए हम इसे फ्राई करेंगे. After 1 minute add 1 kg mutton and fry until it's change your color. Add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste and cook for 4 to 5 minutes. Add 1.5 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 2 tablespoons of coriander powder. Mix well and cook for 3 to 4 minutes. 4 मिनट के बाद इसमें 3 कप पानी जाएगा. Now mix and bring it to boil. Now it's boiling, cover and cooking pressure cooker for 20 to 25 minutes. If you are using pot, cook for 45 minutes until it's tender. After 20 minutes uncover. Now turn off flame, add 2 cups of yogurt. Now mix and turn on flame. Dissolve 1 pinch of yellow food color in water and add in mutton. Half teaspoon black pepper powder, 1.5 teaspoon of whole spices powder, 15 almonds, half teaspoon of mace and nutmeg powder, half cup fried and crushed onion. Now mix and cook until all separate. Now it's done, take out. Now super duper korma is ready to eat. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my video. Allah Hafiz.